No academic year is coming to an end. The funds that have been released to schools are way below what was required. In some of the schools, the government has disbursed as low as 15,000 shillings for a student population of 400. Some schools received as low as Kenya shillings 3,000. We are, however, very concerned that under the Kenya Kwanza, education and the country are getting compromised by mismanagement, lack of clarity, lack of interest, and weak leadership in the sector. Verbally, education field officers have been instructed to work with schools, PTAs, and BOMs and approve measures to help schools raise funds for their operations. For schools, this only means raising school fees. As a result of weak leadership, examination integrity is back as an issue in our education. Implementation of the CBC curriculum is in chaos. Mismanagement persists as key institutions like the TSC, the KNEC, and the ministry itself. Inequality between public and private schools is rising. The quality and capacity of day schools is deteriorating. But more worrying is that parents are being forced to pay for this chaotic and poor quality education. In the first 1 year under Kenya Kwanza, the cost of education has gone up by 225%, but the quality is not guaranteed. Fellow Kenyans, this has been a disastrous 1 year under Kenya Kwanza, and we have no good new or encouraging words to offer. There are strong indications that the things will get worse or remain the same. We, however, refuse to ask you to tighten your belts. You have done enough. The ball is squarely in the court of the regime. They either act or await the fate that has fallen other insensitive and incompetent regimes across the continent.